Got a 2012 Mercedes C250. Got to replace the valve cover. All the bolts around. Remove the coils first. Disconnect the sensor. Pipe right here. Dipstick holder right here. Got the tools. It's a E10 8 and the 25 Torx. Alright, let's get to it. So we'll start by removing the coils. This is my impact. It's much easier and faster. So there's a Matco 1/4 inch. We got them all off. Now we just disconnect and then just pop them off. Loosen them a little bit, then use the impact.
Hello? Hey, how's it going? Good, how can I help you? $1 million? Oh, that's all I didn't wait, I still walked all the time.
So I got all the bolts out, all around. I just need to pry up. Clean the surface. I had already cleaned it. Didn't get that on video. Got it all cleaned up. Now I just gotta add a little bit of silicone right there. Right here. So we got our clean surface. We got our new valve cover with the gaskets. Time to put it on. So I got the new one on. Looks better with that brand new one. Start running down, lining up the bolts. Do that all around. Put them in there. So I got this all done. Another job. Please comment, like, and subscribe.